Hello, everyone. Dr. Carl S. Moore here, and welcome back to the Humanized Organization, a leadership series where we explore how institutions, companies, just like people, can learn to sense, heal, and thrive. So today we're talking about Wu Wei and effortless action. So it's a bit of a thing for me to think about incorporating some of this in here, but I thought I love traditional wisdom, and this really guides a lot of the undercurrent of how I approach things. So there's an ancient concept called Wu Wei, and it just translates into effortless action. There's an entire week long or whole book that can be written on this, but it's not passivity. I want that to be very clear. It's attunement. It's sensing the right moment, moving with the current, sensing the law. It's like the law of rhythm, the current, and making sure that you're making your decisions in alignment with the current and not necessarily in opposition, but in collaboration for effective outcome for whatever you want to be done, right? It's not giving up on the outcome or but not being attached to it to happen in a certain way. Some of my best decisions have come when I stopped forcing and started listening and not being attached to a specific outcome. Success and outcomes, okay, great, but not attached to the how. So over planning, and I'm a master over planner, creates friction and fatigue. Attunement turns timing into ease. So before your next move, I want you to pause and ask, am I pushing the river? Like literally, like imagine yourself pushing a river, or am I flowing with it? Because presence, not pressure, creates sustainable progress. Thank you again for watching, and let's keep leading with love. That's learning, understanding, and vitality.